Hey, my YouTube friends and family. Hey, you see I'm back with a video today. I'm standing here in front of the Recteq Backyard Beast 1200. I'm gonna do a cook on it today to get my first posted video of the cook. I've cooked on it to get a little feel for it, but today I'm gonna do a cook to post so we can all see how this thing works. And we're gonna do some ribs. I've cooked some chicken thighs on it. They turned out great. However, this video was gonna be ribs. And as you can see in it, we're gonna be running these Smokin Pecan Pellets, 100% all natural pecan shell pellets made right here in the USA. So folk, I'm gonna get my ingredients together, and once I get them together, I'll bring you back. All right, folk, I'm back. As you can see here, I've got a rack of baby back ribs, looking pretty, seasoned up with some sweet flavored Hey Girl Hey seasoning. Here, I got 2 racks of St. Louis style ribs. One is seasoned up with black pepper and just some seasoning all. And this one here is seasoned up with some garlic jalapeno and some Heath Riles competition rub. So we're just gonna try some different flavors on these ribs, folks, see what we get. I'm gonna be cooking these ribs unwrapped the whole way through, and then I will wrap to rest. So folks, once I get the Recteq fired up and it's up to temp, I'm gonna carry it up to 225 probably for about the first hour. After that, folks, I'll bring you back. All right, folks, I'm back. Hey, we got the Recteq up to 225. We're gonna open it up. Ooh, look at that beautiful smoking pecan smoke coming out of there. All right, I got this rack of baby backs. I'm gonna get them on there, scrunch them up. I got the first rack of St. Louis. I'm gonna get you on there. I'm gonna scrunch you up a little bit. You know, you scrunch them up so that the bones will thicken, the meat will thicken and stay together and puff up for you. And I got the third rack of St. Louis. Got them all 3 on there. Now what I'm gonna do is try to get this lid shut. She came up to 225, I got her. I'm gonna bring you over so you can get a look. As you can see how much space you got on the 1200 with just 3 racks of ribs. Easily, I can get several more racks of ribs on that top shelf. So folk, I'm gonna get this shut down so we can get to cooking. And I'm gonna go probably at least 2.5 hours before I check. So folk, when I get to that time, I'll bring you back. Hey folk, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice on seeing the smoke, but this Recteq Backyard Beast, let me see if I can get the right angle where you can really see the smoke. It's really putting out the smoke in combination with these Smokin Pecan Pellets. If you could smell this, oh my gosh. And look here, folks. She's sitting there, and I hope you can see that, sitting on set at 225 and riding at 225. So far, so good, folk. I just had to share this with y'all. I've been sitting here just watching that smoke roll. And maybe the camera isn't doing it justice, but I'm gonna tell you what, it's really putting out the smoke. And if you could smell it, my goodness. So folk, I'll bring you back a little later on. All right, folk, I'm back. We're gonna step here to the Recteq. It's been 2 hours since I opened this up. We're gonna pop it open. Ooh, yeah. Ribs are looking fabulous, folk, fabulous. Let me bring this on over. Yeah, as you can see there, they're looking good. Color is setting up on them. Yep, color is setting up nicely. I could get a little spritz and spritz them here in a little while, and which I will probably do. But what I'm gonna do is, I got some baked beans I'm gonna throw on here. You gotta have some sort of side. So I'm gonna throw them on here. Once I get them on, let's see here, let me get this set here. I got my other rack that's sitting back here that I'm going to get put on. It's just hanging back here in the back. Just hanging out. I'm gonna get this other piece of this rack in here. And then I'm just gonna set these baked beans right here on top. I'm gonna shut the lid and I'm gonna let them bad boys go for at least another hour. But in the meantime, what I might do is make me up a spritz, and I may spritz some. It must be some apple cider vinegar and some water. So, folk, hold tight. I'll bring you back. All right, folk, I'm back. Hey, it's been that hour. I'm gonna open her up. Oh boy. I just gotta bring this over. I'm gonna slide this over. Take a look at these ribs, folk. You know what I didn't do? I did not do any spray on them. I just let them ride. Look at that moisture that's come up on them. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give them a flip. I'm gonna flip them over. Let me bring this over here. I'm just gonna flip them over. Yep, oh my goodness. Them baby backs are there. The baby backs are there. I should have brought my probe out, but I didn't. All right. I just gave them a little flip. I'm getting ready to take the baby backs off and wrap them because they're there. I don't even need to temp them, but I'm gonna temp the spare ribs, see where they at. And what I did, folks, I bumped it up to 280. Well, it's showing 245, but when I put it in there, she was riding right at 280 with no problems, steady. So what I'm gonna do is close this up. The baby backs, I'm gonna come back out here and take them off because they almost broke in two in my hand. So folks, I'm gonna let those St. Louis ride. I'm gonna set a timer probably for another 45 minutes. But what I'll do is I'm gonna temp them and see where they're at. I may bring you back for that temp, we'll see. But the baby backs, they're coming off. So folks, when I get ready, I'll bring you back. All right, folks, hey, I decided to bring you right back to take these baby backs off. I'm gonna take these baby backs off, folks, get them wrapped up. I'm moving them right now. If I can do it without them falling apart. I got them laid in some foil with just some barbecue sauce, some honey, and some butter. I'm gonna wrap them up and let them rest. So what I'm gonna do now is get my probe out, and I'm gonna check the temp on these, St. Louis ribs, see what we got. Where we at? Man, folks, they ready to wrap too. So guess what? I'm gonna wrap them up, because look, if I can show you, if I can get you in here, look here. You see that temp? Let me get it where I can see it. 204. This right? Can you believe it? 3 hours and 45 minutes. Started at 225, ran them at 225 for 3 hours, bumped it up to 280. Done. 3 hours, 45 minutes on the Recteq Backyard Beast. A killer, folks, a killer. So, folks, I'm gonna get these wrapped up to rest. Once I get them wrapped to rest, I'll bring you back for the taste test. So, folks, hold tight. All right, folks, I'm back. As you can see, I got that rack of baby backs, looking good. I got these 2 racks of St. Louis. Look at one with sauce, one with no sauce. Looking good. I'm gonna tell you what, folks, I think the Recteq Backyard Beast did an amazing job today. Just look at that, isn't it beautiful? It sure is. So, folks, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me a rib cut out of each one, and then I'm gonna turn it around and give me a taste test. So, folks, if you will, hold tight. I'll bring you back. All right, folks, I'm back. As you can see, I got that baby back. If you can look at that and see what that looks like, ooh-wee. Right here, I got the St. Louis with no sauce. Look at that color, folks. You see that? I hope you do. Right here, I got the St. Louis. Hold on, let me get my hand right. I got the St. Louis with the sauce. Wow. Look at that. So I'm going to take a bite of each and to see what the Recteq Backyard Beast 1200 did along with those Smokin Pecan Pellets. So hold tight, let me get a taste. Oh, well, that's a good problem to have when the meat comes right off the bone. Oh my goodness. Delicious. You get that smoking pecan smoke from your Recteq. I'm on a bite there. No sauce now. Look at that bite, folks. You see that? Perfect bite. Now, I'm going for the baby back. You know, baby backs can dry out on you. But look at this rib. Does that look dry? Does that look dry? I don't think so. So I'm gonna get a bite of this baby back, see what we got. Look at that, folks. Let me tell you this, what I think, the Recteq Backyard Beast is gonna be a great grill for me. It's performed great today. I started out with the grill at 225, ran it for 3 hours at 225. Then I bumped it up to 280. I flipped them over. I let them go for another hour. 4 hours and some change. We had perfectly cooked ribs on the baby back and both St. Louis Rex ribs. So I think the Backyard Beast is gonna work great. So folks, those smoked pecan pellets, they provide that great flavor, that great smoke, that color that you can only get from those pellets. There will be a link in the description for those pellets. On your first purchase, you'll get 10% discount. So folks, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. And as I always say, until next time, keep on cooking.